You know, there's just nothing I love more than cooking. It's also about respecting the animal and doing what we can for it. There's this essence about cooking. Nothing quite matches the experience of just giving someone a beautiful dish, something that they can truly, truly love and appreciate. Recipes come down from generation to generation, and our grandparents, our grandmother's parents, our father's father, our mother's son's daughters, boyfriend's ex-girlfriend who comes from like the neighbor down the street. These recipes, they come from such deep family roots and history, and as you cook, you're bringing some of your family back with you, and nothing's better than just getting drunk while doing it. Just set it gently, right on top of the arugula, the onions, just right on top. Look at this, beautiful, creating stuff from what you have, taking art and just making something gorgeous. Look at that, nice medium rare, perfect coloring, just a little hint of pink, especially on this side. I wish it cooked a little more evenly, not gonna lie. Okay. Who am I kidding? This isn't meant to be an art show. This is meant to be a drunk cooking show.
Welcome to Drunk Dining, where we get drunk and cook food.
What am I doing eating this? I should be eating junk food. It's the fanciest thing I've ever created. Welcome back to Drunk Dining, guys. That is good. Arugula salad. I spent literally all day making this dumbass trailer. I'm gonna edit this and be like, why did I do all that? I don't know what kind of voice I was trying to imitate. You know how all those master classes are? I was trying to imitate those. Ow. Ow. Anyways, welcome to Drunk Dining, guys. I know this isn't an episode, but thank you for watching Drunk Dining. I'll see you guys next week.
Hey guys, my name is Juan, and if you haven't, you should probably subscribe to my YouTube channel because I'll be posting new videos every week. So, you know what to do. Press that. Press my face. Click my face. Not this face. That face. Thanks.